Hello everyone, I want to talk to you about reverse engineering a particular vertical or an industry that you're running ads in, okay? Too many times people are saying to me, what type of ads should we run to this particular vertical? What type of hooks should we use? What does the funnel look like? What's working and what isn't working? And to be honest with you, people that ask that, they aren't spending enough time reverse engineering the market, and they're not spending enough time doing the hard work themselves. And it's not even that hard. For me, it's actually quite fun. And I'm going to show you the process that we use to find out anything you need to know about a particular vertical. All right. The first one is, well, let's say it's roofing. Okay. So roofing is the keyword that you want to use. Okay. And then what you do is you take that keyword of that vertical and you go to either one of these two tools. I use Ad Genius or Advert Suite. And you're able to then see what ads that people are running based on these keywords, okay? And then what you can do is type in roofing into any of these two platforms here, and it's going to show you the what ads are running, okay? So what we do then is we see what ads are running, and then we sort by likes, comments, interaction, etc. Okay, so what you're going to find is that if you put roofing into Ad Genius, you'll just see hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of ads, okay? Some of them are not related, some of them are, and if you sort by likes and comments, you'll see the ones that are getting the most clicks, the most traction, the most views, the most shares, and they're the ones that you know that are having a significant amount of ad spend spent on those ads. Once you have that, what you need to do is take the, if it's Facebook, take the fan page name. This whole system is predominantly for Facebook, but Advert Suite can do the same for YouTube and other places like that. So fan page name, all right, and let's say for roofers it is, you know, Joe Blogs Roofing. Joe Blogs Roofing. The next thing you need to do is take that fan page and go down to the ads, transparency, just type this into Google, tool for Facebook, a page, and then you can type in this name here into this tool, okay? And you'll see all of the ads that Joe Blogs Roofing is running on Facebook, okay? All the current ads that they're running, all different type of variations, everything that you need to know, okay? So then you'll see all the ads, and you can then start looking at the hooks that they're using, whether they're using video ads, carousel ads, image ads, all of the different type of ads they're running. If they're on Instagram, you know, whatever you want, Facebook will show you, okay? So you just spend some time there, spend half an hour taking screenshots and cut and pasting it into a Google Drive document or something like that. The next thing you want to do is dive into their funnel. You know, what does their funnel look like? Is it an advertorial? Is it a landing page? You know, all of the different types of, you know, hooks they're using, the copy they're using on the landing pages, if they're giving away a guide in order to get people into their funnel, what is it that they're doing, all right? It's not a complicated process, but people that you know can't seem to get leads, I'm like, how? You know, there's no excuse really if you go through this process. It'll probably take you a couple hours tops to find what the biggest players in the market are doing, and then you can do what they're doing but a little bit better. It's pretty easy, right? So that's our process for figuring out who are running ads in the niche that you're interested in and who's running successfully, spending a lot of money in that space. Once you have this figured out, you're good to go. So if you'd like to know more about how to do this yourself, how to create and start a pay-per lead agency, then you know there's a case study below this video. Enjoy, watch it, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.